If you aren't going on vacation, your vacation is coming to you. Come on, hurry up and pack. I can't wait to go to the beach. Yay! We'll swim all day. The beach is the best reason to get off the couch. You can tell Emily's serious about having fun. Let's use these instructions to pack. Where's your beach bag? Oops! It seems like Nikki didn't prepare well for beach season. Is the sea really canceled? No way! We're making a bag all by ourselves. We'll need a bamboo placemat. Glue pieces of burlap to 3 sides. Attach the second side of the bag. Now the handles. You can make those out of a leather strap. Glue it to the bag. Done! The bag looks very roomy. Wow! And so stylish. Emily, I'm ready to go on an adventure. Don't forget sun protection. Oh, what a beautiful hat. I want one too. That's easy. Take a cap and a round braided placemat. Cut a circle to match the size of the cap. Secure it with glue. Only a couple of minutes of creativity and the hat is ready. Nikki, what do you think? I like it. It looks very beachy. So, do you want to get a tan now? The beach is great and all, but sometimes it can be boring. A photo shoot is what we need. Emily is a great photographer, but normal pictures won't surprise anyone. Need more creativity? Easy! Nikki, get ready! You are about to become a mermaid. All you have to do is cover your legs with a colorful blanket. And now let's make a tail. Now you're a real mermaid. Let's start the photo shoot. No one else will have pictures like this. Emily, I have an idea too. Let's make you a sea queen. Look how many seashells there are. Let's use them. Stick the seashells to the skin with double-sided tape and think outside the box here. Use whatever decorations you want. Ready for a beach photo shoot? Spread your sea net. Don't forget to smile. A beautiful smile is the best decoration for any picture. Wow! The pictures turned out amazing! And now we can go for a swim! Nikki, that swim ring would be good for pictures too! Come here! Hello from the beach, you guys! Ew, it's so hot here! This lemonade is more like hot tea. That won't work. It's a good thing that Emily brought an ice container with her. On a hot day, it's a must-have. So, time to chill your drinks? You can never have too much ice in summer. Lemonade tastes so much better when it's cold. And you can put the cups in the ice container too. No more warm lemonade. I'm nice and tan, and I went swimming already. What can I do to entertain myself? Hey, you lost something. That's all right. I could use some crayons too. There's a little fun life hack. Just dip the crayon in water and draw. Yeah, right on your skin. That's where you can show your imagination. Emily's really into body art. Now we wait for the design to dry, and the picture will stay on for a while. That's beautiful. Now everyone will notice Emily. Lunch outdoors! What's better than that? And now should we go in the water? Wait, what about our stuff? It has to go in a safe place. But where? Look, we have a pizza box. We can use it. Just put all our treasures in it. A thief won't be interested in pizza, so it's probably safe to go swim. What? There's no changing room on this beach? Oof, that's unfortunate. Well, what do we do? Oh, I have a bag. All you have to do is cut it open. Keep the handles. We'll still need them. The portable changing room is ready. Put the bag on your shoulders. Take off whatever you need and put your swimsuit on. And Nikki has a different plan for changing. She'll use the big towel. Tie it around your neck and take off the clothes. And put the swimsuit right on top of the towel. Now get rid of the rest. Friends are ready to rest. When you're smart, you don't even need a changing room. It's easy to get hungry when you're outside. Oops! sorry, I didn't mean to. But Nikki isn't being very neat today. That's no good. Soon this blanket will be totally dirty. Nikki, how about a cup? You're right, that's way more convenient. Not a crumb is dropping now. Nikki's satisfied, and there's not a single spot of dirt on the blanket. Here we are! Let's change clothes and go into the water. But the preparations for the beach got out of hand. Oh no! Did you forget your bathing suit top too? But that's no reason to go home. We'll use what we can. You can find anything in a woman's purse. What have we got? Masks and a paper bag. Maybe we can make something out of this. To make a swimsuit out of surgical masks, put them together and tie them like this. Sew another mask around the edge. Done! But how can you turn a bag into a swimsuit? Just draw the layout of the top on it. Cut it out. To give the swimsuit shape, make cuts at the top and bottom and cover it with tape. And you can make the swimsuit ties out of twine. Should we try these on? Wow! You look great! So do you! Now let's go hit the beach. I don't think we can swim in these bathing suits, but they are great for tanning. One awkward move and your sunglasses will be completely destroyed. Oh no, they are brand new. How do I protect myself from the sun now? It's easy. Try using a plastic bottle. It will be fun to look at the bright green world. Cut out the lenses. You can also experiment with the shape. Connect the glasses with the arms from the broken glasses. A bright beach-inspired accessory is ready. Does this look good on me? With these neon glasses, your eyes will be totally protected. Should we take a selfie? Getting to your shoes without getting your feet dirty in the sand? That's impossible! But there is a solution. Emily brought balloons with her for a reason. Inflate one and then deflate it right on the foot. Done! You can walk on the sand safely. Emily, what are you doing again? Keep laughing, Nikki. At least my feet will be clean and my shoes won't be full of sand. And that's what counts on the beach. Nikki seemed to appreciate the idea too. Hey, why don't you share your balloons? Braids are so pretty. Very beachy, but it's not very comfortable to swim with this hairstyle. Nikki always has a cool idea. A simple plastic bag can save the day. Let's wrap our heads in the bags and tie them well. Problem solved. Our braids will stay dry. Let's go for a swim. Eating on the beach is so great! We're having fruit popsicles today! Insert a wooden stick in a bag of juice and freeze it! Just don't forget to make some for your friend! And when it gets hot on the beach, you can take the treats out! How about a popsicle, Nikki? I'd love one! It looks like regular juice, but it tastes like a fruit popsicle! Emily, your ideas are amazing! Nikki was in such a hurry to get to the beach that she left the most important things at home. Oh no, not my swimsuit. I really wanted to swim and tan. What if I made a swimsuit out of a bag? Here we go. Let's cut off the handles. Mark the outline of the swimsuit. These will be the triangles. Sew along the curved edge. Almost done! Only the bottom part of the top needs to be sewn on. And the ties! The handles from the bag come in handy. The swimsuit is ready. You can take a couple of selfies wearing this. And now, get some sun! Getting sand in your beach shoes could drive anyone crazy, but also it hurts. Rubber shoes and wet sand are the fastest recipe for blisters. Oh, this is turning into torture. How do you make your shoes a little softer? Let's make insoles out of pads. Glue them inside and enjoy a soft walk on the beach. Tanning oil helps you get an even bronze tan. And Emily had some highlighter somewhere. A little glitter on the skin never goes to waste. Oh no, it's broken. Bummer. It was so young. Emily, don't throw it away. Let's combine my oil and your highlighter. And we have a glowing tanning product. Look how sparkly it is. Let's test this magic beauty product. Wow, look at that. It's doing an amazing job. But shh. Let everyone think that it's our natural glow. Did you like our beach life hacks? Which one are you going to repeat this summer? Tell us about it in the comments. And be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell. Don't miss more summer ideas and easy to follow tips on Troom Select.